Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Gravity FSX 1.0 Dual Full Suspension Mountain Bike. The Gravity FSX impressed the testers and is the best all-around trail bike professionals ever tested. The Gravity FSX's geometry was updated to make it slacker and longer, and the suspension kinematics were adjusted to make it more progressive at the end of the stroke. This is an excellent aggressive trail bike with an amazing combination of uphill and downhill performance. This bike makes a lot of sense for the rider who wants a bike that climbs well without sacrificing any performance on the way back down. This bike is supremely versatile and we'd recommend it to just about anyone. Our second best budget full suspension mountain bike is Eurobike Full Suspension Mountain Bike. This bike descends with road. The revised FSR suspension platform is near perfection and this bike is everything in its path. Pointed uphill and it climbs pretty darn well with a relatively supportive pedaling platform and a nice steep seat tube angle. One of the most interesting aspects of this redesigned bike is its uniquely adjustable geometry. The head tube angle can quickly and easily be adjusted between 63.5 and 65.5 degrees in 1 degree increments, and the bottom bracket can be raised or lowered by 7 mm. This gives the rider 6 distinct geometry settings to suit their preferences, riding style, or terrain. Set it up steep and high for everyday trail riding, switch it to low and slack for running laps at the bike park. The choice is yours. Third choice in our list is Hoso 26-inch Folding Full Suspension Mountain Bike. This bicycle arrives with 85% assembled. You just need to install the front wheel, handlebar, pedals, seat and air up the tires. It was very easy to assemble it in 20 to 30 minutes. The sturdy solid frame, the combination of high carbon steel material folding mountain bike frame and excellent welding technology, make it a sturdy and durable cruise bike, bring you a safe and stable riding experience. It is equipped with a quick release clip which helps to quickly fold the bicycle, can be easily folded and stored in the corner of the apartment or in the trunk of your car, and can be carried with you. High density foam match with double powerful shock absorbers can challenge mountain, wasteland, also effective on the road, trail, city, beach or the snow etc. Number 4 in our side is QMMD Mountain Bike. This lightweight high-carbon steel frame mountain bike is ergonomically designed to combine quality and performance with resistance to deformation and stretching. 26-inch light steel thickened tires, where resistance is 5 times that of ordinary bicycle tires, strong grip, non-slip, conquer any off-road trails and urban road. 26-inch full shock mountain bike with 21 speed, and 27-speed miniature rear derailleur makes it easier to climb front derailleur, finger derailleur, and rear derailleur gearbox kit for easy and convenient gear changes during riding, maximum load bearing 200 kg. All-terrain mountain bikes use shock-absorbing front forks. The thickened outer wall is more resistant to shocks. The thickened shock absorbers help absorb shocks. The parallel bars can adapt to pressure road conditions. Rear box shock absorber and double shock absorption system can greatly improve the comfort during riding. Mountain bikes have adjustable and comfortable saddles. The height of the saddle can be adjusted according to your height. Adjustment is very simple. Last in our top 5 best budget full suspension mountain bike list is Huffy Marker Full Suspension Mountain Bike. This full suspension 21-speed mountain bike offers premium features like a front disc brake, front and rear suspension, and a Shimano rear derailleur. The matte gunmetal steel frame has bright orange accents and Huffy text. The full suspension setup increases both comfort and control of the bike, and the trigger shifters provide precise gear changes. The front disc brake and rear linear pull brake provide precision stopping power. The comfortable mountain bike saddle is easily height adjustable thanks to the quick release mechanism on the seat post. The knobby mountain bike tires provide excellent grip on various surfaces, even during steep turns. The front disc brake offers precision braking control where it counts. It's complemented by a rear linear pull brake that provides strong, consistent speed control. The saddle is designed to provide the perfect blend of comfort and versatility so you can focus on the trail ahead. 135mm textured mountain bike grips provide comfort and control. Shift gears with the left and right shift levers. The steel 3-piece crank provides long-term reliability on the toughest trails. Enjoy the performance of a premium Shimano rear derailleur that provides reliable shifting as you work through the 21-speed drivetrain. Let's watch more.
Hey, this is JB from Huffy, and today we're going to be talking about adjusting and tightening your threadless headset on your bike. So depending on your bike, you may have different sized hardware on your threadless headset. Everything on this one happens to be a 5mm hex. Typically you'll be between 5, 4, or maybe even a 6mm hex used, and sometimes they are mix and match where you may have a 5 and 4s here. So just be aware that you probably have some sort of metric hardware holding your threadless headset together. So these two pieces of hardware are what tighten the stem around the steer tube that comes up from the suspension and directs your front wheel on where to go. This is your tension cap and the hardware that's attached to the tension cap. So I'm just going to loosen the tension cap. And that's going to reduce any of the tension that was on that. Tension is important because it's what keeps all your bearings together and provides a little bit of resistance to your steering. So now I'm going to loosen the other two pieces of hardware here. This is going to let us explore this threadless system a little bit more. So now those are loose, so you can see that this moves all now independently of the fork and front wheel. I'm going to go ahead and completely remove the tension cap. So the tension cap is a piece of hardware, the cap that's attached to it. And it goes down in here and attaches to a star-fangled nut that's inside the steer tube. So let's say that you wanted your stem to be a little bit lower. You could remove a spacer, add the spacer onto the top, and then re-add your tension cap on, moving your stem and handlebars a little bit lower in the stance of the bike. You could re-add the spacer to the bottom, put your tension cap back in place, tighten it down. And while I'm not using a torque wrench in this case, if you do have a torque wrench that measures Newton meters.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.